I found some spare carpet in the crawl space. I was hoping that it would be enough to cover all of these stairs, but it's not nearly enough. So I'm gonna have to try to find some scraps or something for cheap. All right, so I am on the hunt for some scrap carpet. I'm hoping that I can find it discounted or really cheap, or maybe even they'll give it to me for free. Fingers crossed. I have a few carpet shops that I'm gonna hit up today and we'll see how it goes. No luck at the first shop. They did not have any remnant rolls, so on to the next. Strike 2, no remnant carpets at the second store. Hopefully the third store will have it. Stop number 3. This one's gonna be good. I can feel it. I can feel it. They're gonna have the carpet that I need. Hell yes, you guys. I finally found some remnants. So many to choose from. If you're looking to put carpet into like a small area of your home, ask for remnants. I am specifically at Carpet Exchange right now, but there's lots of different carpet shops that do it, and Carpet Exchange in particular takes 50% off remnant carpeting. So good deal. I am so unbelievably pumped right now, you guys. Like, the universe sent me the perfect carpet that I need for this project. It was within my budget, like the 100 to 150 range. It's like an okay color. I think it's gonna be perfect for this project, so I am so stoked. I guess third time's the charm, am I right? Thanks so much for watching. Check back in for part 2 where I start to install this carpet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home DIY.